Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is how I created a Incredibles costume for my daughter. I have a store near me called Factory to You, and that's where I get a lot of my pieces like this shirt, and then I also found a skirt. The skirt was $3.99, so that was a really good deal. Now I only have to adjust it from the waist area because it's a little big on her. To complete the outfit, you need an iron-on for the shirt. Now, if you don't want to buy a skirt, and I was actually just lucky to have found it, my original plan was to use this fabric that I have and kind of made a skirt and sew it on top. This was just a very simple idea on how to create a costume quickly for your kids, and they can reuse it like normal clothes, but they get to experience wearing their favorite character's outfit.